Hello and welcome back to the next part of the Monkey Island playthrough. Right, it's been a bit of a while since I last did this, but if I remember correctly, we were last in the governor's mansion trying to steal the statue, and shit went down. All various things happened, and we managed to get a staple remover, manual of style, wax lips, and gopher repellent. We also found the treasure, which is the t-shirt, but we've yet to get on with the old sword master. We've met the sword master, but we need to be trained. The next thing to do, obviously, is to deal with these rats in the cells. So we should be able to do that now. I've been having issues with my recording software, so there's a very good chance it's going to drop frames and shit, but I don't know what else to do. Okay, I guess we just do that. Did that work? I think it has. Right, the rat's gone. Should be able to talk to Matey now. I told you I don't have much more to say. Hey! I just used the... There's a lock there now. It's locked. There's a lock there as well. Maybe use the staple remover. Okay, right. Well, I don't know what to do now. Use the old gopher repellent, didn't work. Well, give him the gopher repellent, maybe. Ah, hey, this might work on the rats. Thanks. Here's the cake. Okay, right. So, yeah, in using it there, we got rid of the rat in that cell, but obviously he wanted it to get rid of his rats. Now he's pacing around like a mad bastard. Right, we've got cake. Let's have a look at this cake. It's heavy. What on earth would we use the cake for? Haha, right. When you're going to break someone out of prison, you give them the cake, and what's inside the cake? A file. And if I remember, that's what we needed, because we couldn't get the old statue out and needed a file. There's no option to eat the damn thing, so open cake. Well, there we are. That's all we had to do. Okie dokie. We are making a mega progress here. Come on, let's get back in there and use the old file. That's all we had to do. Hopefully this will give us other options later, because I have no idea what else we can do. Need to find... I don't know. No, don't close the pit. Oh, get in there. Right. Well, we could just jump in there. Alright, it's locked. Okay, we'll go in there then. I've got the file. Okay, here we go. Same old mad shit. Manual of... What? Weird. Throw wax lips on fire, was it? Rhinoceros toenails. Lock, okay. Fabulous idol. Jolly good. Totally berserk. Phew, that was a close one. At least I got the idol. Oh, but I'm not done with you yet. Uh-oh. Thought you could get out of here with the idol of many hands, did you? Look, I can explain. So can I, with my sword. You poisoned the governor's pet poodles. They're just sleeping. Broke into her house. The door was unlocked. And stole one of her most valuable pieces of art. Now, you've got it all wrong. Oh, really? Well, let's hear your explanation. Oh my God. She said I could have it. I was just going to borrow it. It belongs in a museum. The pirate leaders told me to do it. I think it belongs in a museum. Let's say that. Ha! Uh-oh. What's going on here? What's going on here? I caught this hoodlum making off with your idol, Governor. He says it belongs in a museum. That's right, it does. What? You heard me, Fester. The real question is, how did he get in here while you were on guard? Just go away, Fester. I can handle this. Humph. I'll deal with you later. Lovely. Sorry about him. He's new. I'm Governor Marley. Oh, Governor Elaine Marley. So my idol belongs in a museum, eh? Gosh, well, you've got to say gosh at these situations. Gosh. Relax, Mr. Freepwood. I know why you're here. Believe me, you're not the first who's tried. Although I have to admit, not many get as far as you have. Jeepers. Well, let's go with the old golly, I think. Golly. My lookout told me of your arrival. I've wanted to meet you ever since I heard your fascinating name. Tell me, Guybrush, why do you want to be a pirate? You don't look like one. Your face is too sweet. Good Lord. Maybe gripped. Oh, shit. Well, you're obviously not in the mood for idle chit-chat, are you? I suppose you've got many more exciting things to do. I won't take up any more of your time, Mr. Freepwood. Maybe I said the wrong thing. Okay. No, I don't think there was an option there. Sigh. Poor, I really wish I knew how to talk to women. He doesn't know, does he? Okay, we've got the fabulous idol. It's beautiful. Okay. I don't think there's any more in here we can prick around with. Can we go? Can I go in there again? Oh, I don't think we will be able to, but let's give it a go. Fair enough. Can we open the door? Locked indeed. Okay, so we've got the idol. So, I suppose we could go to the pirates and oh my God. Where do you think you're going, Froodwald? I'm going to go put this idol in my safe deposit box. You know, it's not too late for us to make up and be friends. Excuse me, Mr. Shinetop, but you're blocking the doorway. Buzz off, Fester. Let's try and be friendly. Yeah. And it's also not too late for me to kill you and still make it to the bar for happy hour. Crikey. Hand over your sword. Uh-oh. Oh no, have I done something wrong? Oh. This is the end of the road, my little pantalooned pal. Your troublemaking days on Melee Island are over. My plans for the governor are far too important. This doesn't look good. And much too near completion to risk letting a would-be pirate like you get in the way. So long, Mr. Spice Cake, or Droop Face, or whatever the hell your name is. Shit. This might actually turn out to be a pretty good day. Well, he's a bastard, isn't he? Okay, right. Are we dead? Oh. Okay, right, okay. Shit. Oh my goodness. Walk to sword. It's sharp, I better be careful. Okay. Walk to razor sharp scissors. You get the idea. No, okay. Can't do any of that. There's an axe there, heavy and sharp. I hope we can't die here. I bet we do. Shit. Staple remover. No, that's no good. There's a saw over there. It's sharp, yes, yes. Rusty but sharp. Yes, we'll get the bastard thing. Okay. What's within reach? Right, this is Red Herring's central here. Lots of things that we might use, but they're all out of reach. So, little bug, sharp though. Right, we're going to need... Right, rubber chicken, minutes, map, shovel. Use... Hello, there's people up there. Hey, Nick, I just committed a felony. Did it involve that big knife you've got there? Yeah. What should I do with it? Get rid of it. I'll throw it in the water. Good idea. No, don't do that. Why not? I need to ditch it. It might wash up somewhere. What do I care? My prints won't be on it. I'm throwing it in. Yeah, go on. Nah, I might need it. Oh, they're really accentuating the irony here, which is lovely. What the hell do we do then? We just wait here? Right, let's use the staple remover on the fabulous idol. No, of course there aren't. Use shovel. Just had a breath mint under the water, as you do. It's quite lovely under here, and we don't appear to be dying. Okay, let's pick up the idol. I guess I'll be needing a sword. This one will do. Okay, that was simple enough. Well, that wasn't so hard. Now, all I have to do is show this stupid idol the pirate leaders and... You're alive! Governor! Hey, you can talk. Who'd have known? What are you doing here? Come to finish the job? No, I came down here to save your life. Fester wasn't acting on my orders when he threw you in there. You came down here to rescue me? I didn't even think you liked me. Well, our first meeting was a little awkward. You seemed to have trouble forming complete sentences. But then again, so do most of my citizens. But I'm not one of your citizens. I'm a pirate. I'm just a drifter, a nobody, a would-be pirate. Who would have known or even cared if you'd let me drown? I would have, Guybrush. Oh, Governor. Oh, Freakwood. Oh, Elaine. Oh, Guybrush. Love Muffin. Sugar Boots. Honey Pumpkin. Plunder Bunny. Kiss me. No, we mustn't. What? Not here, where everyone can see us. Why? Are you ashamed of me? No, it's not that at all. It's just that many of these pirates have made advances towards me. And to avoid hurting their feelings, I've always told them that my father made me promise never to fall in love with a pirate. If they see us together, they'll know I was lying. Okay then, let's go to your place. Okay. Well, there we are. But finish your trials first. I don't want you to be preoccupied. But I feel this sudden urge to complete the trials. I bet you do. Quickly. Splendid. Right, so come the wrong way. So give them the idol. Hopefully they'll give us some clue as to where we need to go next. Don't close the tit-in thing. Right, I'll save it first. Well, if I've ever got this far, I don't remember. So this is great. So, right, let's go straight in there and give them the idol. Ah, the idol of many hands. Ye a brave lad, and thank ye for stealing it for us. Okay, there we are. Tell me again about mastering the sword. Right, there's something we're missing here. You must seek out and defeat the sword master. Okay. Someone in town could probably direct you. I know where they are now. Get yourself trained first. Okay. So, who the hell can I get to train me? I think, actually, I've just remembered, I think those pirates we occasionally meet on the map, we just need to fight them, I think, because we've got a sword now. So, right, let's just do that, see what happens. No grog today, I'm afraid. It's the middle of the day, I've got to drive later, so it's just a cup of tea. But what better to drink when playing such a splendid game? Just the right temperature too. Right, so this bugger's been spying on us. I'm not going to bother talking to him though. Let's get straight on with the old sword work. Oh, there we are, there's our first one. Move out of the way or I cuts me way through. Do you think? I think he looks a bit like Rod Stewart. There we are. Nice night we're having. Ever noticed how the roads start to look the same? Yeah, now that you mention it, they do. It's probably because they all same picture, isn't it? Same image. Nice night we're having. So, no, how can we fight this brigand? I sure hope she had something more important to stop me for. I've got a feeling we're not. No, I'll be on my way. So how the hell do we learn how to bloody fight if no one wants to fight? The only thing is this. Remember there's an ogre blocking the way. Let's go back there. I've saved it. I might save it again just in case. Right, let's try again. Stop! You must pay a toll. Stand aside, troll. I'm a mighty pirate. How much is the toll? So what did they want again? Well, what have you got? I tried that last time. 30 pieces of 8? I want something that will attract attention but have no real importance. My old moss-covered free-handled family credenza. It looks like we haven't got what he needs because I tried that last time and I haven't got any of these other things. Construction paper jockey shorts. I eat ya. Right. Does that mean there's t-shirt? Let's give him a t-shirt. Give t-shirt to troll. No. The most useless thing. Useless but attracts attention. Not money. Let's give him some stewed fish. A red herring. Pass. Oh, bloody hell, that was in... He used the Force then to get the... I wonder if that was George Lucas. Yeah, that was a bit obscure. Anyway, worked. Lights. Stan's previously owned vessels. There's a grog dispenser there. Welcome to Stan's previously owned vessels. I'm off searching the globe right now for the finest and previously owned marine transportation. Have a look around. I'll be right back. Stan. Rightio. Open the door. No. Let's try. I won't be able to open that. It's locked. Nope. Use. Let's get some. Oh, I used up one of my pieces of 8. Okay. Let's have a look at this here. Boat. Dull, dull, dull. Fuel economy. Okay, I'm trying to make head or tail of this. That looks like a Viking ship there. Looks like one of those well-engineered imports. Yes, Viking stock. Okay. The hell, you have to walk all the way around there to look at it. Now that's a nice looking vessel. It's just occurred to me that we could have come here far earlier. Oh, it's gone right around. Although, it doesn't appear to be much here to do. Okay. Right, okay, so we got this. Right. New ship emporium house. Right, there is another place to go. Could have come here earlier, of course. Swords. Captain Smirk's Big Body Pirate Gym. Prices. Sword training 30 pieces of 8. Cannon firing 160 pieces of 8. Balls extra. Grappling hook 130 pieces of 8. Hook extra. Right, we should have come here earlier, but I don't think we've really delayed ourselves much. But this... Yeah, because it said about the captain. I assumed the captain was the chap in the cell. That's why I was trying to get him out. Tit. So, right. Okay, this is where the captain is. I think I'll knock. Yeah, good idea. It'd only be polite. What do you want, you wimpy little spineless maggot? Could you train me to be better than the Swordmaster? Can we step inside? It's a little chilly out here. Do you know where the Swordmaster lives? I already know that. Could you please put out that cigar? No, I quite like cigars, so you can carry on smoking it. Yes, let's go for the first one. Cut to the chase. Better than the Swordmaster? You? Ha 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 ha! You could never be half the sword fighter Carla is, even with hours of hard work and sweat and blood. I remember fighting side by side with Carla at Port Royal. The local constabulary had us cornered. It looked like we were done for, but then she said... But I digress. You just don't have what it takes. I do have what it takes. Do so have what it takes? You do not. What? I do so. You do not. Oh my God. I do so. I like your spirit. I'll do what I can. Good. Thank God for that. Of course, it'll cost you. What have you got? I figured you'd do it for free. I think I'll wait, thanks anyway. All I have is this dead chicken. Let's try that. This isn't one of those rubber chickens with a pulley in the middle, is it? I've already got one. Every bugger else. What else have you got? Right, okay, let's just pay him. So, yeah, if we'd come here earlier, we wouldn't have had the money anyway. Say no more, say no more. Let's see your sword. Crikey, which sword? Oh, okay, check it out. I don't want to show it to you. Yeah, let's just go for it. Yes, this is a nice one. Let's get to it. Lovely. Right, now, this is another thing I remember, so I must have done this before. Okay, you maggot, why don't you whip that sword out and let's see what you can do with it. Bloody hell. Boy, you fight like a dairy farmer. I usually don't waste my time with vermin like yourself. But seeing as this LeChuck thing has put a cramp on business, I've got no choice. I need the money. Yes, I can see this is going to take some special measures. Just want you to know, I don't do this with everyone. It's only because I feel that special student-mentor pieces of 8 bonding that I'm going to these lengths. I'm going to put you up against the machine. Bloody hell. Machine? Is this going to hurt? I remember this, so... Bloody hell. Yikes. Come at me. Don't be afraid. You won't hurt me. Watch your footwork. Advance, thrust, recover, parry, riposte. Advance, thrust, recover, all that shit. Doing quite well. Watch your footwork. Hours later. You're starting to get the hang of it. More hours later. Not bad. You've got good form. Bloody hell. Now I'm going to let you in on the true secret of sword fighting. Sword fighting is kind of like making love. It's not always what you do, but what you say. Any fool pirate can swing a sharp piece of metal around and hope to cut something. But the pros, they know just when to cut their opponent with an insult. One that catches them off guard. You see, kid, your wit's got to be twice as sharp as your sword. Let's try a couple of insults out, shall we? Okay, imagine this. We're fighting up a storm, just like Carla and I were doing at Port Royal. There's a sudden break in the fighting, and I say to you, you fight like a dairy farmer. You respond with, yeah, so this is what the fighting's all about. It's about witticisms, trying to outdo the other. Oh yeah? So's your mother. I am rubber, you are glue. I remember these ones. You must be thinking of someone else. I'm not a farmer. Okay, so you've got to be witty. None of these are, so he's probably gonna... There we are. He's gonna tell us what to say, hopefully. I can see we've got a lot of work to do here. You should have responded with something like, how appropriate, you fight like a cow. You see? It's razor sharp wit like that that wins fights. Let's try another. Imagine this. You're trapped up against a wall. My sword just slashed 2 cuts into your face. I say, soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab. You respond with, oh yeah? So's your mother, I'm rubber, you're glue. How appropriate, you fight like a cow. Okay. No. That was the response from the last insult. Doesn't even make sense when used here. Sigh. A correct response to, soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab, would be something like, first you'd better stop waving it around like a feather duster. See? Razor sharp. Now I suggest you go out there and learn some insults. Right, there we are. I can't help feel like I've been ripped off. I'm sure you're feeling something similar. Well, no, because I know what to do. So I did do this back in the day, but the problem was I didn't really understand these witticisms, and I think I might have done it by trial and error, perhaps, but I think I might be a bit better at it now, maybe. So we just got to find pirates to practice on, basically, and they'll throw up new versions of things to say. Come on, you swines. So wait. Come on then. Oh shit, I clicked on fork. No way. Come on, man. That one. Fuck me. This one. Good. Tit! Right, let's get away from this bastard fork. That one. No, that one. Yes, okay. Stopping a pirate can be dangerous to your elf. Nice night we're having. Da -da -da -da. Prepare to die, motherfucker! Soon you'll be wearing my sword like a shish kebab. You fight like a dairy farmer? Boy, are you ugly. Okay, right, so we know the responses to these. Let's try some of these. Boy, are you ugly. Let's see if he knows how to get out of it. What's the matter? Just get out of sword fighting class? Well, that wasn't. Bloody hell. Nobody's ever drawn blood from me, and nobody ever will. I'm shaking. Could you repeat that? I didn't quite get it. Right, let's try. Okay, so he's never bled. Okay, so yeah, can you repeat that, please? So something about he's never. So yeah, unless we encounter, I don't think we can. The response we can. So I can say it to another pirate later on, and then learn the appropriate response. There's nothing I can say really that will win it. So oh yeah. You have the manners of a beggar. I'm rubber, you are glue. There we are. Oh dear. I give up, you win. Righty-ho, that didn't go very well, but we've got some, here we are. Move out of the way, cuts my way through, he's wearing a nice hat. So, right now we can say the things the other pirate was saying and learn the correct responses. Here we are, nobody's ever drawn blood from me and nobody ever will. I'm rubber, you're glue. Right, he doesn't know it. You have the manners of a beggar. Oh yeah. He doesn't know either of those. You call yourself a pirate? What's the matter? Just get a sword fighting class? Okay, so anything like that's going to work. But we might learn a new one now. Come on then. I've spoken with some apes more polite than you. I'm shaking. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to have to go through this and learn every combination there is. This is the end for you, you gutter-crawling cur. I'm rubber, you're glue. Okay, we can try these out on the next pirate. Jolly good. Next. This one, come on. Come on, you bastard. Yeah, stinking. Fuck! Need to get away from there. This one. Like this one, you swine. There. Good. Oh, it's Rod Stewart. Right, prepare to die, Rod. Right. This is the end for you, you gutter-crawling cur. And I've got a little tip for you. Get the point. Okay, so there we are. They've got that one now. I've spoken with apes more polite than you. Shit, we don't know that one. How appropriate if out like a cow. Obviously not the right one. You make me want to puke. Oh dear. Alright, we don't know that one either. Oh yeah? Motherfucker. Uncle. Right, next. Oh, it's the same chap. But he may know something. He may know some of the new ones. Finish my damn tea. Right, let's go for the old gutter crawling cur. We already know that one. Okay, fair enough. Bugger. People fall at my feet when they see me coming. Right, I think I remember something like someone do bad breath, but obviously we haven't encountered it yet, so... You have the manners of a beggar. Shit, I can't even remember if we've done that one. No. Oh, was it that? No, maybe it was that one. Nope. Next. You scurvy lubber. It's actually landlubber. I think that means lover of the land, as opposed to a sailor who loves the fucking sea. Okay, right. Which one don't we know? Yeah, this one. People fall at my feet when they see me coming. Oh, he doesn't know it. Make me want to puke. Right, we know that one now. This is the end for you, you gutter crawling cur. Right, we know that one. And I've got a little tip for you. Get the point? I think that's the one. Yep. Okay, good. Nobody's ever drawn blood from me, and nobody ever will. You run that fast? Right, good. We've got another one. We're doing well here. I've heard you're a contemptible sneak. Alright, I don't know that one, so... Oh, yeah? Look behind you, a free-headed monkey. Right. Shit. Another one. Go on, then. I'll just do one more fight, and then I'll probably end it here. This is the end for you, gutter crawling cur. Right, I don't know this one yet, so hopefully he will. Ah. No, yeah. Okay, got the scar on my face during a mighty struggle. Okay, we don't know that one. I've spoken with apes more polite than you. See, I can't remember. See, this was probably the difficulty I had. Sometimes they don't quite make sense if you don't remember the correct one. No, I don't think we know that one yet. Right, let's end it here for now. Next episode, we're going to be doing some more sword fighting. Hopefully build up for the old Swordmaster. Perhaps we'll encounter this one next, but until then, cheerio everyone. Cheerio.